Hi, in this lesson we will learn how to make reports without using any template. So as you can see, again I am in my GA4 property right now, and I will click on create detailed report, and instead of choosing any of these template I will just click on blank. You can think of this as a plain canvas, like you have this empty report and you can add any dimension, any metric or anything you want. So it is not just limited to if you are making report related to traffic acquisition, so you can only add metrics related dimensions and metrics related to traffic acquisition. You can do literally anything you want, and the best part about this is also that you also get access to different metrics that are not available in the normal templates. For example, if you go down and if you see that in the e-commerce you have different types of metrics, like let's say shipping tier and item variant. They will have include dimensions that you will not get in your standard reports, and things like percent scrolled. This is not and method, this is not something and visible. These are not the dimension that you will get in the standard reports. And also something like subcontinent, you will not get it, and like link classes, link domain, and these things. So it has a lot of dimensions and metrics that are not available in other reports, and similar goes with the metrics. So for the first example, let's do something like subcontinent, and this will tell us the subcontinent the people are coming from, and we will hit apply. And for metrics, let's do total users and average engagement time and number of sessions. So we will hit apply. So this will give you the data, and you can see there are all the different subcontinents. They're total 19, so we will make it 25 to see all the data. Another cool thing about this is that you can choose charts. I think you can also change the charts in other reports, but here I can just click on this, and instead of this line chart I can do something like a scatter chart, and I can hit apply, and it will be easier to see the data. And instead of this bar chart I want to make it a line chart, so I will make this line chart. So now you have this data here, and this is one of the things that you can do to make these report a little more customized. You can do something like if people are coming from a certain medium, so like we can do session medium exactly matches and organic, so it will only tell you the data that are people coming from organic. So we will hit apply on this, and it will show you only the people who are coming from organic medium. So this is a very cool thing that we can do, and this is the first example. Now let's move on to the second example. For the second example I want to show you something like you have added outbound links to your website, right? So you have added links to places like YouTube or Twitter or any other website, and you want to know how many people are going to these websites, or maybe you have some affiliate links on your website and you want to track how many people clicked it. So for that we can do something like link domain. So link domain will only tell you the domain, like what's the domain. So it will not tell you the particular link. For particular link we will do another dimension, another example. So we will hit apply on this. So we want to know how many total users are coming, like going to those pages, those domains, and like number of sessions. And you can also add something like event count, and let's hit apply. So here you can see these are all the links that people are going to. So these are 21, so let's do 25. Okay, so you can see that all the places that people are going to. So if you can see something like that is not something you don't didn't want it to link to, then you can check it in your website to see that if somebody else has added that link, for outbound. So you can see that there are different websites, and this bar chart is not being helpful right now, so we can do remove this. And this is like one of the reports. You can always add any filter, that may be country, exactly matches a United States, and then hit apply. It will just show you the data for United States, that people from United States are going on these different websites. And suppose you want to know the exact URL, for that you will do link URL, and then we will make this as default. You can think of this as the third example, because this is almost the same, and now this will tell you the particular URL that people are going to, that you are linking to. So if we remove this filter, then it will show you all the pages. So it has exactly 25 pages. So these are the pages that people are going to from your website. So I can see this is one of the affiliate link. So you can see that, okay, only 2 people have gone to this like link. So you can see like where these are added, and if you can find something suspicious, then you can work on it. And you can think of this link as suspicious, but I have added this link in one of my blog posts. I have made a no follow, and it's about profile creation, so that's why I have added this link, and 3 people have went to this website. So really you can do anything with this, like you have a ton of different metrics and dimensions. You can just play around with this, and you can do literally anything with it. And again, you can make like summary cards out of these. So you can do something like domain, link domain, and total users. You can add your chart. So we will just hit apply. This is the last lesson for your reports, how you can make reports without using any template basically. So in the next lesson, I will teach you how to save these reports and how to make a collection, and then we will learn how to make these reports show up in your sidebar. So I'm looking forward to teaching you that. And if you have any questions regarding this or anything in general, then let me know and I will love to help you.